Anaximander of Miletus, born around 610 BCE, who looked at the world and said, "There's no turtle holding us up. Here's the hook." Anaximander argued the Earth floats free in space, balanced because it's equal distance from everything. No pillars, no cosmic animal, just geometry and reason. 2,000 years before gravity, that's a flex. His big idea was the apeiron, the boundless. Not water, not air, but an indefinite, limitless something from which everything emerges and to which everything returns. Hot and cold, wet and dry split apart, fight it out and settle into balance. He called it justice, nature as law, not myth. He drew one of the first world maps, placed the stars on wheels, and tried to measure the sun. He used a gnomon, a simple shadow stick, to track solstices, equinoxes. Thunder, wind trapped in clouds, rain, evaporation and condensation. He was replacing stories with models, and this one's wild. He proposed life began in moisture, and humans came from fish-like creatures because newborns are too helpless to survive on land. It's not evolution as we know it, but it's the instinct of evolution. Explain the present by natural processes over time. So why does Anaximander matter? Because he moved the goalposts. He treated the cosmos as a system that can be explained by rules and checked against experience. He wrote in prose so arguments could be debated, not just recited. He made doubt useful. The insight I take from him is simple. When the obvious story feels too tidy, ask for a mechanism. Make a map. Test an idea. The world gets bigger when I stop looking for support and start looking for balance. That's Anaximander's gift.